Hello guys, my name is Denis. I am from 11B class. My class number is 10. Uh, so I got this school project to make a video procedure, and then I think, why don't we make a video about this subject? Why don't we create a procedural video on how to make a procedural video? I think it's a good idea. The goal here, guys, is to successfully make a fun procedural video. And here's what you need, guys. Firstly, you need a camera to take a video of yourself or to take a footage. Like me here, I'm using my friend's phone. It's his. This phone is his, and this mirror is his too. Thanks to him. And then we also need a pen and a book to write some script on it. And lastly, you need a laptop with video editor software on it, or you can just simply use phone though, as long as it has a video editor on it. Now that everything is ready, we can start. Now firstly, to make a good procedure video, you need to think what will you make. You have to really think about it, because a good idea is not just popped into your head. You can search it online, or you can go outside and find some inspiration. Now, if you know what subject you will make, then the next step is to write a script. You don't need to write every detail on what will you say, but it's up to you though. But me, I'd like to write some rough point, and then I start improve as I take the videos. If you are done with your script, then it's time to take a video. It's up to you guys whether you want to take a narrative video first, then the footage, or simply changing between narrative video and footage alternately. But I'd like to record my narrative video first, this video first, then I take my footage. Make sure you have a friend to help you take the video, so you don't have to hold the camera the whole time, nor place it in the unstable platform. So guys, in today's video we will make a procedural video.
Oh crap, god damn it.
So guys, in today's video we will make a procedural video. The last step is to put your videos and footage into your laptop, and then you can start edit it. You can cut the unwanted scene. You can always view your preview videos, and when you're happy with that, you can click that export button and save your videos, and then done, you have your video. And that's it guys, how to make a fun procedural video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and bye.